It was very easy to work with Mr. Electric, and we've used them ever since. We purchased an older home and had no overhead lighting. So Mr. Electric came in, they were on time, they were quick, and then they did the work.
Knowing I could call them, speak to their customer service, and get it scheduled in a fairly short amount of time, that's a huge plus. I gave them a 10. I thought they were excellent.
I've been a client of Mr. Electric's for probably 20 years. Mr. Electric's always taken care of whatever we needed.
I would absolutely recommend Mr. Electric.
They listened, which was very important, and took our idea and our concept and enhanced it. It's wonderful.
As a mom, my first priority is to keep my kids safe and to keep our home safe. And so that was really comforting to know that they had my safety in mind as well. That left me with peace of mind.